Yeah, welcome to today's class, Tuesday, 3rd of February 2026. So today we continue from where we stopped yesterday, which is area and perimeter of square and rectangle. So today we are looking at some examples on how to calculate the perimeter and area of square and rectangle. So let's go straight to the work. Don't forget, yesterday we summarized the formula, we stated the formula for the area and perimeter of square and rectangle. So by today, we want to apply the formulas in solving simple questions. So this was the classwork I gave us yesterday. I said and this is the table. I just copied it from the textbook. It's from the textbook. They say we should complete the table. Say copy and complete the table of rectangles. So to do this, it's a very simple question. The first one is the length and the breadth of this rectangle is given. They say we should find the perimeter. So all you need to do in situation like this, just remember your formula for perimeter, which is P equals to your two brackets L plus B, L plus B. So by the time you remember this formula, put the values there and you are good to go. So for the first case, you have 3 and 2. So just do your 3 plus 2. By the time you add your 3 plus 2, your answer is 5. So which is 2 times 5 now. The bracket means time, so 2 times 5 is 10. So the first answer here for the perimeter is 10 and the unit is cm. Don't forget that. So I explained all this in class today and we completed the classwork ourselves. So for the second one, the perimeter is going to be 4 for length, sorry, 4 for breadth, 5 for length, which is 5 plus 4. So by the time you do your 5 plus 4, then you multiply by 2. And we have 5 plus 4 is 9. So 9 times 2 will give us 18. So the second perimeter in this question is 18. And always remember your unit, 18 meters, since meter is what we use in this other part. So the final one is 6 and 10. So the same thing, you do your two brackets, 16, that is 16 and 10 now. 16 plus 10, and that will give us 26. So do two bracket 26. By the time you do two bracket 26, so that will give us 2 times 26, which is 52. So the answer for this is 52. So this was the assignment I gave yesterday. Most of us did it very well in class, and this is the correction. So take note of this. So let's go to the next part, which is our main work for today. We said this example is a simple example, and we even did it in class. Some of us did the sketching for us, and they did it well and they solved it very well. The first one says calculate the perimeter of a football field that measures 80 meters by 50 meters. So if you want to make a sketch, let me get the shape. Okay, so this is a rectangle. So this is a rectangle. You can get your pen. They said one side is 80, and you know we usually use the longer side as the 8 as the length, sorry. Then we use the shorter side as breadth. So if this is the football field, so what will be the perimeter? Without wasting time, you remember your formula for perimeter, which is 2 bracket L plus B. So 2 bracket L plus B. And when you substitute into your formula, you are going to get 2 bracket 80 plus 50. So 2 bracket 80 plus 50. And when you add 80 to 50 now, what will they give us? So this will give us 130. So by the time you multiply 2 by 130, this will give us 260. So the answer to this first number one example is 260. And remember the unit is meter, so you put your meter as your unit of perimeter. So this is question number one. The question number two, we say this area of a square is what now? Let's see. Okay, say calculate the area of a square advertising board of length 5 meters. So just get your square, just draw something like this, then sketch it out and so. So if the square have one side 5, that means all the four sides they are going to be 5 meters. So all the four sides are going to be 5 meters. So square, all the sides are equal. So your area will now be what now? L square. Area is L square. And what is the meaning of that? It means multiply L by itself. So that is L times L. So if I substitute the value of the length, which is 5, into the formula, I'm going to have 5 times 5. And 5 times 5 is going to give me 25. So this is what we did in class today. And the unit is 25 square. So by the time you understand this example, can do the classwork. And there's no assignment today because we have test tomorrow. Wednesday, tomorrow is our test. So prepare very well for the test. So this was the classwork I gave in class. Study it very well and get the answer. Yes, sir. Okay, some of us could not finish this classwork. So I'm not going to do the correction today. After our test tomorrow, do the correction. Thursday, we continue with our lesson. Thank you for watching this class or watching this video. Have a nice day.